You are welcome, friends. The learning world. The word of the day: hiccup. Hiccup. Hiccup meaning in Hindi as noun हिचकी, as verb हिचकी आना. For example, I have hiccups. Second one, what should I do to stop hiccup? Thanks for watching The Learning World.